She can open it for all of us. Trina, you have to open the speech.
Why are you paying me when you didn't even know about this event?
I'm talking, thinking of following us.
Make that make sense.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna pay me when you
Yeah.
didn't even know about this?
Ganyan.
You were paying
I don't know.
attention.
I don't know what you think.
Paano ko kumanin o natin thank our 10K followers. Not just 10K, but thank our followers.
For your support.
Thank you for your
Okay.
support,
Thank you for your support, all the
followers,
followers.
supporters.
Followers,
Pero me
supporters.
paga, she was not present. She's not been paying attention. And she's getting to pay me. Make that make
It's already live.
Oh my God, really?
It's already live. Okay.
Okay, katanigiya paigi me yan derege me. Ilotan Oliver ragar follow gi poiten marungin
All of that.
sagar changul thousand followers.
Wow, yay!
Derege me hun lang tatan like kamane.
I'm just age editing. I'm not
Dalili.
She's editing.
Chalele.
Get it right, get it right. Oh, wait. I thought where you went.
Oh, ito lang. Please, pwedeng kababo ko eh. Irgun shy and sensitive gangster.
Very shy.
Cry.
Taste it. Hurry up, because boss lady gonna get mad.
Oh, you got it.
You missed it. Why not your sweatshirt? Okay, everybody, this is Janita. She's the one that's gonna pry me. I don't know why. She wasn't even paying attention. She didn't even know about the contest.
Okay, countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3.
Okay, ready. Come on, naman. Come on.
Nilalikod pa yung milaw.
Mimi, any comments?
2024.
Any comments?
Any comments?
For everybody who likes my picture, when you go to sleep tonight, I hope both sides of your pillows are warm. When you go on traffic lights, I hope you only hit red lights. What's up, all beam after you use the restroom? I hope there's no more soap. Let's see what else. I hope a dog comes and bite y'all. Stand up. Let's see, go bite them. Tokong karga dyan.
Thank you all for joining. Thank you.
Rose.
Okay.